The markets break minor support. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade, and this is the weekend edition. Good through Sunday, August 9th, 2015. And the market's in the day bearish on Friday. Here's the S&P 500 exchange traded fund called the SPDR, SPY, and that's what we're looking at here. We've been looking at two major trend lines, the blue ones converging together, and then we have the red ones here that have already converged together. So it's two symmetrical triangles together. At this moment, as of Friday, we closed below a minor area of this trend line. That was big time trouble. It broke down. However, bulls came in, bought up that weakness back up, but we still closed below that support line. Gang, that's important to me. If I go over here to the banks, you guys will remember that if this thing started dropping, and I had an alert trigger, which I did have my alert trigger. If I go over here, take a look at this alert, this triggered at 2873, which is right there. So it got down below it, but it rallied back. So it got it back above that trigger area. But the problem is this. Let me blow up some information or some data here. We have on the banks, this is the financial index, the biggest index of banks out there, and it's on the NASDAQ, 460 banks or so, in a rising wedge, which is bearish. With that bear setup, we broke down here. We got to close below a major trend line. This is a main trend line that got pierced below the moving averages. This is trouble. So this is a breaking of the ice. With that said, if I go back here, let's go back to the SPDR. I'm going to go to a weekly chart. And if you look at a weekly chart, look at all this sideways movement. If I bring in a lot more data, look how we've been going higher, but now we're rolling over. We're flattening out. It's almost like we found a high here. We don't know what to do at this level. Just kind of a rounding formation taking place here. If you look at a monthly chart, here we go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, a little down, and up, and no down. We are begging for some sort of pullback here. Just a nice pullback on the monthly chart on the SPDRs. So we're just due for one. We're due for a big healthy pullback on a monthly time frame. If you look here at the NASDAQ on a monthly time frame, just up. And we're just due for a pullback, but we're not seeing it yet. The weekly chart, we're higher. We got a bull pullback on the weekly chart. It'd be interesting to see what happens with the NASDAQ as far as that is concerned. And I'm going to go back to the daily here, look at silver. Silver now is broken over the last few trading sessions above a trend line. This is huge. Came up, popped up very highly on Friday. Bears brought it back down below the 20-day moving average. Shooting star. I'm looking for a pullback. We could get a triple bottom right here and look for a buy opportunity to the upside. Gold here had a triangle. Boom, starting to break out here. Be interesting to see if that can head higher. So right now, commodities have a decent chance. But let me share something with you. The last time I have seen commodities this bearish was in 2008, right before the huge financial crash. So gang, usually when commodities are just doing this poorly in the markets, it's not a good sign when the markets are toppy. So remember, you get the very best of technical analysis right here at Grok Trade. We'll keep you aligned to the pulse of the markets and what's taking place out there. You don't want to miss any of our videos. So if you like the video, like it. If you love it, share it. And if you're on YouTube, leave a comment. Catch you guys later.